Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today I want to talk about the value of Catholic art in your home. I am in general a minimalist. I don't have a lot of stuff, and part of it is we have 6 kids, and so just the less stuff we have, the less there is to break or pick up. And I have ADHD, so my brain really doesn't like clutter. And so we don't have a lot of stuff. But I really love investing in Catholic art. And I have done that slowly over time over the last 12 years. So I didn't go out and buy a whole bunch of things all at once, but I slowly have added pieces into my home. And I think that one of the great values of having Catholic art is it just points your mind to Jesus more. So you're walking around the corner in your hallway and you see a really beautiful picture I love that picture of Mary hanging something on a clothesline and Jesus is next to her with a kind of gold saint halo around his head. I don't have that one yet, but I love it. I do have that beautiful print, and it was done by a nun at a candy shop. It's like a nun and they make candies, but then she did this drawing of Eve putting her hand on Mary's pregnant belly. And the background is yellow and it's just so beautiful. And I love seeing it. It just, in one image, it just captures, original sin and how Jesus was sent into the world to cleanse us of that sin so that we may go to heaven. And now there are just so many incredible, talented Catholic artists. You can go to Etsy and find a ton. I really like Baratus Catholic. He has a very distinctive style. And there are some that are very traditional. There are icons. There are more modern pieces. So you can really find something that works for you. But I just want to encourage you to put more Catholic art around your home. It doesn't have to be expensive. I think it's really great to have the gifts of the Holy Spirit and the fruits of the Holy Spirit, and also the Beatitudes. And then the Our Father prayer. I don't have a Hail Mary written out. We have I have a beautiful rosary holder, like a wooden rosary holder that I got from Rough to Rustic Designs. I will say, don't buy anything from monastery icons. You're going to go to that website and you're going to think, oh my goodness, they're so beautiful, but they're made by not Catholic people. And so we're not supposed to get those. So no monastery icons, but there's lots of other companies that do beautiful icon prints. You don't need to buy original, hand-painted ones that are very expensive. I did invest in 3 of those over time, and I really love them. They were $400 each, and that was just like a really special gift and a really big moment for me. But like I said, we've really added these special pieces to our home over time. But it's good. Our brains, especially the way we look at our phones and our computers, we're receiving all of these messages all the time that are tugging our attention away from the Lord. And so to put beautiful art in your home that draws you back to the Lord, that reminds you of who you are, it's really powerful. So I just want to encourage you to think about that. We're going to focus on that in Masters in October. We're going to do a sacred home study and just talk about that, and probably have a bunch of links to that and explain how to do it. Because if you're anything like me, you didn't learn how to even hang a picture well, or how to understand the dimensions of a wall and what size art should even go there. And so that is a skill you can learn. And then you're going to enjoy the art on your walls. And it's going to deepen your faith and hopefully do the same thing for your children. It's also an incredible opportunity to be a witness to what we believe when non-Catholics come over. And so if this is not a skill that you have crafted yet, just be gentle with yourself. We're not born with that skill. But if it sounds interesting to you and important, you can just say, I'm going to become a woman who knows how to acquire sacred art and how to decorate the house with it, slowly over time. No pressure. That is my invitation to you. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening, and have a blessed day.